At Edinburgh Airport, as soon as possession of the runway was handed over to the main contractor, the clock started. A section of the runway had to be planed out and then resurfaced in time to hand the runway back to the airport, ready to take flights again by 6 a.m. PowerPlane have continually invested in machinery with the latest technology and pioneering innovation, and highly skilled operatives that are both market-leading to make sure that the job can be done as quickly as possible, completed to the highest possible standard. At Edinburgh, 4 state-of-the-art planing machines were used together to remove the existing surface as quickly as possible. This speed and accuracy of operation gave the main contractor as much time as possible to resurface each section of the runway. PowerPlane are the market-leading specialist in airfield work, and we have the newest fleet of vertical planers of any company in the UK, enabling us to provide incredible reliability and precision of work when the clock is ticking.